What's up, YouTube? This is Richard Skilder, and today we're going to be talking about how to test your imagination that it is God. You're going to test your imagination to see that you are God, that your thoughts do create your reality. So we're going to get started with that today. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to talk about how to do it, why to do it, and to test the law of attraction, that is. So basically what you have to do is you have to find a subject that is easy that you think will manifest. So for example, let's say that you're driving and you want to see a certain color of car or a certain car. Usually that's not very hard to do, to manifest colors of cars. You can try it with license plates. Let's say there's certain license plates you want to see. Let's say you want to see an R and an S, or you want to see VV or a W and a W. Something like that on a license plate. Maybe some numbers in a license plate. Try to find things that you have less resistance towards. So subjects like, seeing a color out in the world, could be a phone call from a person sometimes, but you got to see where you check your resistance levels. Always check your resistance levels towards that subject. So let's say I was trying to manifest a color of a car. So this is how you do it. So I want to manifest a certain color. I want to see a whole bunch of red cars today. So my goal is to see 10 red cars or 5 red cars. So find the number that you have the least resistance to. Make sure that it's not going to be obvious. So try to make it at least more than like 5, 3, something like that, where it's going to be out of the ordinary, so you know that your thoughts create your reality. So if you do this, it's going to prove to you that just by your focus that you are manifesting something. You are manifesting seeing that in your reality within that day. So what you want to do is you want to visualize seeing red cars, okay? Or you want to say, I see red cars today. I see 5 red cars today. I see 5 red cars today. Or I see 10 red cars today. So that's how you want to do it. So you want to do it in that way. You want to repeat the affirmation or visualization till you feel that you've completed enough to manifest that subject or whatever you're trying to get. So what you want to do is see the resistance you have towards, let's say it's red cars. So I see resistance, red cars. I want to manifest 10 red cars today. Do I have any resistance toward that? No. So I could do that manifestation to prove that the law of attractions works. So you want to do that on easy subjects. So that's what I would do if you want to manifest things on a very easy level, that you prove that the law of attraction works, that you prove that the law of assumption or law of attraction, that you're assuming that's going to happen, that's going to create your reality, that it's going to show up in your life. So that's just one easy technique I want to leave with you guys. I want you to try it and let me know in the comments below what you thought about this technique, what you thought about it, what showed up. Was it easy for you to manifest a red car, or to manifest something that was easy with no resistance? Can you show up in that day to prove to you that the law of attraction works? So alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll talk to you later. Bye.